How to earn $5,000 per month with AI video generation. I will show you the complete system. Not theory. Real money. Real methods. Real results. Welcome to AI with Zulfi. I am Zulfi. 30 years in technology. Today I show you exactly how to make money generating videos with AI in 2026. Most people think AI video generation is just a toy. A novelty. They are wrong. In 2026, AI video generation is a legitimate income stream. I will show you 3 proven methods to earn $5,000 or more per month. I will show you the tools, the workflow, the business model, and most importantly, I will show you how to start. Let me start with the opportunity. In 2026, video content is king. Every business needs video. Every creator needs video. Every marketer needs video. But video is expensive. Video takes time. Video requires skill. AI changes all of that. AI can generate professional videos in minutes. Not hours. Not days. Minutes. That creates an opportunity. And that opportunity creates income. Here is the reality. 1 year ago, AI video generation was impossible. The quality was terrible. Today, the quality is professional. Indistinguishable from human-created video. That shift happened in 12 months. That is the window of opportunity. Before everyone knows about it. Before the market saturates. Before the money dries up. Now let me show you the 3 methods to earn money with AI video generation. Method 1. The agency model. You offer AI video generation as a service to businesses. A local business needs a promotional video. They used to pay a video production company $5,000. Now they can pay you $2,000. You use AI. You spend 2 hours. You keep $2,000. That is profit. Repeat this 5 times per month. 5 clients. 5 videos. 5 times $2,000. That is $10,000 per month. How do you find clients? LinkedIn. Facebook groups. Local business networks. Cold outreach. You message a business owner. You say, I can create professional videos for your business in 48 hours for half the price of traditional production. Most will say yes. Most have never heard of AI video generation. Most think it is science fiction. When you show them the sample, they are shocked. They convert. What videos do you create? Explainer videos. Product demos. Testimonial videos. Training videos. Sales videos. Any video a business needs. You use AI tools like Synthesia or HeyGen. You write a script. You generate the video. You add music and graphics in CapCut. You deliver. You collect payment. Repeat. The barrier to entry is 0. You need a laptop. Internet connection. $500 for tools. That is all. Your first client covers your costs immediately. Method 2. The content creation model. You create AI-generated content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. You build an audience. You monetize through ads, sponsorships, or products. This takes longer than the agency model. But the upside is higher. For example, you create a channel about AI tutorials. Every video is AI-generated. Synthesia avatar. Professional script. Edited in CapCut. You upload 3 videos per week. You build a channel. In 6 months, you have 50,000 subscribers. YouTube monetization kicks in. You earn passive income. $2,000 to $5,000 per month depending on your niche. The key is finding an underserved niche. Do not create generic AI content. Create specific content. AI for accountants. AI for real estate agents. AI for dentists. AI for chiropractors. Find your niche. Create content for that niche. Build authority. Monetize. I know creators doing this right now. One creates content about AI for small business owners. Another about AI for freelancers. Another about AI for coaches. Each has 50,000 to 100,000 subscribers. Each earns $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Method 3. The course and product model. You create AI video generation courses. You teach people how to use these tools. You teach them the agency model. You teach them the content creation model. You sell courses. You earn $500 to $2,000 per course. Sell 20 courses per month. That is $10,000 per month. Alternatively, you create templates. Video templates. Script templates. Workflow templates. You sell these on Gumroad or Etsy. Each template sells for $20 to $50. Sell 100 templates per month. That is $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Or you create software. A tool that automates AI video generation. You sell subscriptions. $5 per month per user. 1,000 users. That is $5,000 per month recurring revenue. Now let me show you the complete workflow. How to actually generate these videos. Step 1. Script writing. Write your script. 200 to 500 words depending on video length. Make your script conversational. Make it interesting. Make it specific. Use the ChatGPT or Claude. Feed it a topic. Get a script back. Refine it. Polish it. Your script is the foundation of everything. Step 2. Choose your tool. Synthesia. HeyGen. Pictory. Descript. Runway. Each has different strengths. Synthesia is best for professional talking head videos with AI avatars. HeyGen is best for international videos and avatar variety. Pictory is best for script to video conversion. Descript is best for audio and editing. Runway is best for advanced effects and customization. Choose based on your need. Step 3. Generate your video. Upload your script to your chosen tool. Select your avatar or style. Select your voice. Select background music or visuals. Click Generate. Wait 10 to 30 minutes. Your video is done. Professional quality. Ready to edit. Step 4. Edit in CapCut. Download your video from the generation tool. Open CapCut. Add intro. Add transitions. Add text overlays. Add graphics. Add background music. Polish the video. Make it look professional. Make it yours. Export at 1080p. Step 5. Create thumbnail. Use Canva. Design a professional thumbnail. Bold text. High contrast. Your face optional. Upload thumbnail to YouTube or your platform. Step 6. Upload and publish. Write title. Write description. Write tags. Schedule upload. Publish. Share on social media. Monitor comments. Reply to viewers. Build community. That is the complete workflow. Script to published video. 6 steps. 4 to 6 hours of work per video including waiting time. Maybe 2 hours of active work. 4 hours of passive waiting. Now let me show you the numbers. Let us say you do the agency model. You charge $2,000 per video. You create 2 videos per week. That is $4,000 per week. That is $16,000 per month. Minus your tool subscriptions maybe $500. Your income is $15,500 per month. Is this realistic? Yes. I know agencies doing this. Or the content creation model. You build a channel with 100,000 subscribers. Average YouTube CPM in your niche is $5. 100,000 subscribers with 50% monthly views. 50,000 views per month. That is $5 per 1,000 views. 50,000 divided by 1,000 times $5. That is $250 per month. Not enough. But add sponsorships. 1 sponsorship per month at $2,000. Add affiliate income from tool recommendations. $1,000 per month. That is $3,250 per month. Scale to 3 channels. That is $10,000 per month. Or the course model. You sell a course on how to build an AI video agency. Price it at $497. Sell 50 courses per month. That is $24,850 per month. Minus Gumroad fees and ads. Your profit is around $18,000 per month. The numbers are real. The opportunity is real. But here is what most people miss. Most people see these numbers and they think it is easy. It is not easy. It is simple but not easy. It takes work. It takes consistency. It takes patience. It takes skill. You need to learn the tools. You need to write good scripts. You need to understand your audience. You need to market your service or product. You need to deliver quality. You need to handle objections. You need to solve problems. The first month you earn zero. You are learning. You are building. You are creating without income. The second month you earn maybe $500. 1 or 2 clients. Or early subscribers. The third month you earn $1,000. Systems are working. Referrals are coming. The fourth month you earn $2,000. Momentum is building. The fifth month you earn $3,000. By month 6 or 7 you hit $5,000 per month. Then you scale from there. This is not get rich quick. This is build real income in real time with real work. Now let me address the common mistakes. What not to do. Mistake 1. Using low quality AI. Do not use free tools. Free tools produce low quality video. Businesses will not pay for low quality. Professionals will not watch low quality. Invest in good tools. Synthesia, HeyGen, Pictory Pro. These are not expensive. $30 to $100 per month. Your first client pays for everything. Mistake 2. Weak scripts. Do not use generic scripts. Do not use AI generated scripts directly. Write real scripts. Scripts with emotion. Scripts with specificity. Scripts with hooks. A good script makes a good video. A bad script makes a video and nobody watches. Mistake 3. No niche. Do not create generic content. Find your niche. Find your audience. Create specifically for them. Generic content gets lost. Niche content gets found. Mistake 4. No marketing. Do not assume people will find you. You must market. LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube. Cold outreach. Referrals. Partnerships. Market relentlessly. Mistake 5. No follow-up. You create a video. You publish it. Then you disappear. Wrong. Reply to comments. Answer questions. Build relationship. Engaged audience converts better. Mistake 6. Copying others. Do not copy what others are doing. Find your unique angle. Your unique voice. Your unique value. That is what people pay for. Not copying. Originality. Now let me give you the action plan. How to start today. Action 1. Choose your method. Agency, content creation, or courses. Pick one. Focus on one. Master one. Then expand. Action 2. Choose your tool. Synthesia or HeyGen for talking head. Pictory for script to video. Try free trials. See what you like. Pick one. Action 3. Write your first script. 200 words. One topic you know well. Something you can teach. Something useful. Action 4. Generate your first video. Follow the workflow I showed you. Script to video. Edit in CapCut. Publish somewhere. YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok. Anywhere. Get your first video done. Action 5. Get feedback. Share with 5 people. Ask for honest feedback. What worked? What did not? Improve based on feedback. Action 6. Create your second video. Apply the lessons. Do it better. Faster. Smarter. Action 7. Repeat. Create 10 videos. Then evaluate. Do you have clients? Do you have subscribers? Do you have traction? If yes, scale. If no, adjust. Here is the reality. Most people will read this and do nothing. They will watch this video and do nothing. They will think about it and do nothing. The barrier to action is in your head, not in reality. The barrier to getting started is 0. One video. That is all. One video proves to yourself that you can do this. One video proves the concept works. One video starts the momentum. I am Zulfi. 30 years in technology. I have seen many opportunities come and go. AI video generation is not going away. It is accelerating. The money is real. The opportunity is real. The only question is whether you will act. See you in the next one.